He not gonna hit you up streets.
He is.
Yeah.
Watch me wake up in the morning. He hit me up. I'm telling you, he always do.
How about you just relax sometimes, you know?
That's my baby. What the fuck? He know I love him.
Why you let him treat you like that?
Cause he know he not gonna break up with me, and he know I'm not gonna break up with him.
But why don't you put your foot down and break up with him to see what he do?
He gonna laugh.
Or you just not pussy.
He gonna laugh. No. He gonna laugh
Go
and be like,
home,
"Oh,
damn.
where are you leaving me?"
He told me to go home.
You should text him. Be like, "Oh, why you not talking to Sharice?"
Sharice.
She is so bad fast. It's like that time he was complaining about me being hungry. She always complaining. She didn't call my ass damn.
Yeah, I might go chill with Ty tomorrow.
No, not.
Okay, why not?
Stop taking pictures of me.
I'm not taking no pictures.
Yes,
Do
you
see me
are.
putting away?
Why that shit pointing right at me?
It's locked.
I'm taking pictures.
I'm not taking a picture.
No.
I'm not taking. No.
Wait.
I'm not. Wait.
No. Yo, why you ain't show me? Get my damn nerve. Act like that's it.
I was taking pictures. I'm recording you.